Today we're going to dive into the world of the letter C. The letter C is a bit tricky because there are actually two C's. Think of it as identical twins. They look the same outwardly, but they have different personalities. One is quite hard, the other is soft. I'm going to show you the trick to telling them apart. Let's get the hard stuff out of the way first. When I say hard stuff, I mean the hard C sound. You've probably already heard it in words like cup, cat, and coat. All these words have a hard C because the C comes before A, O, and U. Check out these words and repeat after me. Slow down the video to 0.75 if I go too quickly. It's best if you can stay on a rhythm. Like this. Cost, corn, cornbread, catapult, curve, caterpillar, curb. Sometimes the letter C is also hard because it comes before certain consonants like R, L, K. Crave, scrambled eggs, crafting, crate, crash test dummy, credit card, cloudy, crab, shock, crack, knock, sock, truck, suck. Now we're going to move on to the soft C sound. You've heard this sound when you have said words or heard words like bicycle or city or cell phone. This soft C sound happens when the C is before a letter like E, I, and Y. Cycle, celebrate, cereal, cinema, uncertain, certain, Cinderella, cynical, cider, cement, cinnamon, cypress, cyst, cell. All right, those were much easier to pronounce anyway. Now, I just want to tell you before we finish that there are cousins of the letter C. And I've shared some of them with you in my lesson on silent letters. There are C's that are silent, and I explained to you the reason why there are silent letters in the English language. So if you want to, you can check out that lesson. So the other cousin is a married cousin. It's married because it's always paired with the letter H, and it makes a specific sound, ch. You see it in these kinds of words. Chuckle, sandwich, cherry tree, challenger, chair, champ, chalk, charge, chimp, chubby, charming, cheeks. Let's review. The soft C comes before I, E, and Y. The hard C comes before A, O, U, R, L, K. Celery, cabbage, calculator, certificate, ceramic, cans, celebrity, circular, cornea, cop, cringe. Hope to see you again next time as we continue with learning more about pronunciation and vocabulary in English.